Hello friends, I am getting this error. This site cannot be reached. To resolve this issue, watch this video till the end. So friends, I am giving you 5 steps that you need to follow to resolve this issue. Step 1. Clear your browser cache. So open your browser, go to settings, click on this option advanced, scroll down, click on reset and clean up. From here you can restore the settings to the original default. You can click on resource setting and you can also clean up your all the browser data from here. Now move on to the second step. The second step is to flush DNS cache. So you need to type command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Now type in netsh int ip reset. Now type netsh winsock, then click on reset. Now type ipconfig flush DNS. Now type exit. Now next method is open control panel. Click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter setting. Right click on Ethernet. Click on properties. Scroll down. Click on internet protocol version 4. And herein the preferred DNS should be 1111 and alternative DNS should be 1001 and then click. Okay, step 4 is to disable firewall and internet, and step 5 at the end you need to restart your internet connection or your Wi-Fi router, and it will definitely help you. Now restart your computer and it will work for you. In case you find this video helpful, friends, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.